Shopping. Easy English listening for beginners. Hello everyone. Welcome back to English listening practice.
Today's topic is shopping.
Listen carefully. Try to understand. Repeat after me.
Let's begin.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I am looking for a t-shirt.
What size are you?
I am medium.
What color do you want?
I would like blue.
Here you are.
Thank you. Can I try it on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there. How is it?
It fits well. I like it.
Great. It is $15.
Okay, I will take it.
How would you like to pay?
I will pay by card.
Please insert your card. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Excuse me, where's the milk?
It is in aisle 3.
Thank you. How much is this bread?
It is $2.
Okay, I'll take it. Now
listen and repeat.
I am looking for a t-shirt.
I am looking for a t-shirt.
It fits well.
It fits well.
How much is this?
How much is this?
I will pay by card.
I will pay by card.
Where is the milk?
Where is the milk? Very good. Shopping is easy in English.
You just need simple sentences.
Practice every day. Listen. Repeat. Improve your English.
See you in the next listening practice. Goodbye.
Welcome to English Listening Lab. your channel to test, practice, and improve your listening skill.